Importing tasks from Excel. If you're a devoted Excel fan, you might like to create your task list for a project in Excel. At some point, when you're ready to move that list into Project, you'll be glad to hear that Microsoft has provided the project plan template that makes the process simple. In this lesson, we are going to discuss how to import a task from Excel. This is a new feature included in Project 2007, but it's not as simple as importing tasks from Outlook 2007. We have to do some steps for this. The first thing we have to do is locate the projplan.xls file. This Excel file is a template given by Microsoft. To locate this Excel file, click on the D drive, Program Files, Microsoft Office, click on Templates, then click on 1033. In most of the cases, the path will change. It may be the C drive. I chose the D drive when installing the Office pack, so just check before going to this path. We have a lot of built-in templates here. What we have to do is search for projplan.xls file. So here's the file. Double-click to open this. This template is specially designed only for projects. Fill in information about tasks, resources, and dates in the appropriate columns on the appropriate worksheets, and then save the file. I have an Excel file. I previously worked on it, and I am saving it. I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to show you how to import tasks from Excel. Now we have the Project 2007 window open. Click on File, then click on Open. All we have to do is locate the file. Select All Files here. This is the one I worked on. I'm just selecting it, and then I click Open. So that's it. We have imported an Excel file. This is one of the great features included in Project 2007. In the next lesson, we are going to discuss creating tasks using hyperlinks. Creating tasks using hyperlinks. In our previous lesson, we talked about creating tasks, and also we talked about different types of importing tasks. Here we're going to talk about it again, but with a new method. This method is going to be inserting tasks using hyperlinks. So let's see that now. We have the Project 2007 window open. Click here to select a blank task name cell where we want the hyperlinked task to appear. Let's select this cell. Now go to Insert and then select Hyperlink. We can also choose the same by right-clicking here and choosing Hyperlink. Both methods work well. Click the hyperlink here. Now the Insert Hyperlink dialog box appears. We can insert a hyperlink in different ways. In the Text to Display box, type a name for the hyperlinked file. Or we can create a link by looking in the Link To area and then clicking the Click the Existing File or Web Page icon. We can link to a document, an email address, or a web page. In the Look In list, locate and select the file to which we want to insert a hyperlink. I have a file in the name of Project 1, so I'm selecting it and I'm going to click OK. See now the link text is inserted and a hyperlink symbol appears in the indicator field. We can simply click this link symbol here to open the other file. See, now we can open the other file. This is another form of creating a task. Now we have seen all the methods of creating tasks. In the next lesson, we are going to discuss creating a clear-cut project plan for our project.